Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Juke and I will be showing you which fuses to check in case your ABS light is on the instrument cluster and the ABS brakes are not working. This video will apply to Nissan Jukes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Now you will have a couple of fuses to check. All of them will be located under the front hood but in two separate fuse boxes. Okay, so the first couple of fuses will be located in a small fuse box just in front of the battery. Now to lift this cover, there is a black tab on the side. You just want to press it and lift it up. And on the back side you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so what you want to check here pretty much is this main 50 amp fuse at the bottom left corner, and you want to check these two big fuses as well. Now only part of these fuses is responsible for ABS, but you want to check and make sure that nothing is burned inside, right? And once you do that, there is one more fuse to check in the main fuse box, which is actually hidden just behind the battery and under this plastic air hose. Okay, now to access those fuses, first you want to remove this air hose. First you want to pop it out here, detach it, and you want to do the same thing on this side as well. So just want to kind of lift it up and remove it. And now you have a full access to the fuse box here. Okay, now to remove this cover, you'll have four black tabs, two on this side and two on the opposite side. So you just want to detach them and leave the cover up. And the fuse will be on the back side of the cover. Now this is kind of a Nissan thing, and it's kind of hard to access it, but it's doable. Okay, I'll show you now. So just want to kind of flip it upside down, and here you will get access to the fuses. And on top here you'll have a small fuse diagram. Okay, and the fuse you want to check here will be the fuse number F17, which is just down here. It's kind of hard to see it, but this is the fuse F17. Now if all of these fuses are good and you still have the ABS light on, then you will have to connect the OBD2 scanner to check for possible ABS codes, and then based on that you can do some deeper diagnostics, but most likely you are dealing with a failed ABS or a wheel speed sensor or a wiring issue towards the sensor. That's something that happens quite often actually. But first thing, always check the fuses before you take the vehicle to a mechanical shop or start spending more time. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.